Ini untuk tugas yang ke-13, yaitu tentang giving advice and asking opinions. Untuk dialognya sebagai berikut. Rudy, would you please see my painting? I'd like to have your opinion. I think your painting is good and interesting, but I have suggestions. I'd be very glad you could give me advice. If I were you, I'd change red into blue. Good idea, Rudy. What do you think about this line? I think it's too long. You're right. How do you feel about the blue? You should mix that and white, unless it doesn't look good. Oh yes, Rudy, and I'd better paint on small. Good, try on small so your painting will be perfect. Thanks so much for your advice. Don't mention it.